Hey money lovers, Kyle with Variety Airs here. If you're holding a Star Note or a banknote that you're curious about, and you want to know if it's worth face value or hundreds of dollars, you need the actual data. I'm going to show you how to find that value right now using the AI-backed rarity tool that I coded myself. Let's check it out. All right, so we're here on varietyairs.com. We're going to click right here on Lookup Banknote Serial Number. It'll load us over to this screen pretty quickly. If you don't see that and you're on mobile or tablet or something, there's always this menu bar at the top here. You can click Serial Number Tool, which is highlighted right now. Scroll down just a little bit past the instructions, and it's pretty straightforward. So we'll put in this Star Note. Let me grab it real quick. There we are. It is a 2017A $1 bill. Serial number B07790094 star. If you want to click the little camera on your mobile phone or tablet and scan your note, it is AI backed and it will pull the serial number. If it doesn't though, just input it and click check note. And then it should render it very quickly. You're here on the Variety Airs Rarity Aggregator, or VERA, as I've called it. It'll give you a unique ID to your search, so it's unique to every serial number it searches. It's always a new ping to all the databases. It confirms everything: series year, denomination, serial number, confirms against records that it is a true Star Note. Federal Reserve Bank, New York. Production volume, it's a standard star run of 3.2 million. The rarity scarcity index, that goes from red to green, green being rare, red being standard. Fancy serial number type, there's none in this serial number. And the market estimate is going to be face value. So just kind of a general range for ones that have similar serial numbers that have sold across the net. Now down here for that block of serial numbers, it'll show also any known errors. So in this case, modern quality, check for gutter folds or insufficient inking on the green and black seals. There's no known errors or none known, but check for the major stuff: ink smears, miscuts, or overprints. And then this will take you to a bunch of videos on currency right here on my website. There I am. You can see that mug there, but breaks down all the different videos I've uploaded recently. You can also load more and see a bunch of stuff here on the site. Watch videos and learn all about how to grade your currency after you find those valuable ones. Also, encyclopedias and my free downloadable error coin price guide. Let me know in the comments what you've been coming across, what you think about this AI-backed banknote lookup tool. Hopefully it's useful for you. Worst case, it's free. Let me know in the comments. I will see you there. And until next time, happy treasure hunting, folks.